You won't believe this. There's a volcano on Earth that breathes blue fire like something straight out of a sci-fi movie.
But it's real, and it's called Kawah Ijen. Hidden deep in Indonesia, this volcano glows with electric blue flames in the dead of night.
No, the lava isn't blue. It's normal red. But here's the secret. Kawah Ijen leaks pure sulfur gas. When it touches the air, it ignites and burns an eerie blue fire that dances across the rocks.
Temperatures here can hit 600 degrees Celsius, and the air is toxic. Miners go in with nothing but cloth masks, risking their lives to harvest the sulfur. Ever wondered what Earth's most dangerous beauty looks like? This is it. A glowing blue beast, alive and burning under the stars.